welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by today. My name is Kelly and today we're going to make this hanging succulent wall planter. All of the items are from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get started. I found these cute triangle lion signs for a baby room at Dollar Tree. I bought 3 because I wanted to stack them up to make the planter to hang on the wall. So first I pulled off the little lion face piece, and then took out the back triangle, and then pulled out the little tabs with some pliers. It takes a little elbow grease to get them out. I sanded down the extra little residue from the lion circle piece so it was nice and smooth. And I did exactly the same thing to the second triangle sign. For the third triangle, I only took the lion piece off the top and left the back on. And then I hot glued the triangles together. And then I used some white chalk paint from Folk Art and covered the whole outside in a light layer. Then I took some dark gray chalk paint from the brand Folk Art and dry brushed the outside. Have you tried this dry brushing technique? Do you have any tips for me? Leave me a comment. Next, I took some floral foam, cut it up, and arranged it in an even layer in the bottom. And then I hot glued it down. Next, I took some moss and hot glued a layer down over the top of the foam. I found these succulents at Dollarama, but I have seen them also at Dollar Tree. I only grabbed 5, but I could have used 6 to make it look fuller. First I cut off a bit of the stems, and then pushed them into the foam. And then I rearranged them a few times until I thought it looked good, and then hot glued them in. It came with a little hanger on the back from the lion picture, which you can easily hang on a nail on the wall. I really loved how this turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.